Hey, it's Alondra Chapman here again, back at home in the living room doing another workout. It's day 31. I don't know how long this quarantine is going to go on, but I know we have to keep working out. So today put together a little kettlebell circuit. We've got kettlebell swings, we've got goblet squats, one-arm kettlebell rows, and some side lunges holding that kettlebell at the chest. It's a nice quick workout if you push through. Takes about 2.5 or so minutes to get through one round if you push through and don't stop. There are 5 rounds. Give yourself a break, about a minute between, so you can push through if you need to. If you can go straight through without stopping, even better. But the idea is to push this workout to get it done as quickly as you can. It's a total burn. So just get it done. Let me know how it goes.